Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anita, and in today's video I am going to be sharing an unboxing from Cleef and Arpels. If you're new to my channel, again, hi, I'm Anita, and if you're a subby, welcome back. I know it's been a while since I filmed a video, but I thought today would be a great day because I got something really special in this unboxing. Something that I don't think I expected. Again, if you watched my other video where I did share, I think it was beginning of this year, that you would see an unboxing from Cleef and Arpels. Well, here it is. So yeah, I had the opportunity to go about a week ago to check out their collection again, and I had my eye on a couple of pieces, and I just wasn't sure. And then with this whole pandemic happening and with COVID-19, I sort of took my mind off of it, and then it kind of resurfaced again. And then, yeah, so got the opportunity to go last week, and I will chat while I unbox. So this comes like this, and yeah, we have to make an appointment to go into the store, and I made an appointment with one of the sales associates there. Sorry, that was my door. And went in there. Probably, again, just a handful of people in the store itself. They do provide masks and some bottled refreshments as well. And then, yeah, so everyone's wearing masks and gloves. And yeah, I tried on a couple other pieces again as well. And I just thought, you know what, this would go really well with adding to my collection of mother of pearl. As you can see, I am wearing the vintage Alejandra pendant, just a single motif pendant. And I think I got this one a couple years ago. I love it a lot, which is amazing because, you know, it's just, it goes with everything. And you can dress it up, you can dress it down, which I love. So anyways, here we go. This is what I got. So I added the bracelet. So this is the vintage Alejandra 5 motif bracelet. So each piece is handcrafted, and it takes at least 3 to 4 months to make. And everything is made by hand, and it's just amazing, the craftsmanship of VCA again. I know I've mentioned it before, but it's just amazing how the quality that they use, and just the way everything is intricated in place. I just love it, and it's so pretty. You also have the option to take out links to make the motifs closer. If you do have sort of smaller wrists and you want more of the motifs to show, there is the option to take some of these links off and to sort of put them closer together. You can also even take one of the sort of charms off, like one of the motifs off if you want. I decided not to because I thought, you know what, I can utilize this bracelet in so many ways. You know, you can either wear it, and I'll show you here, but you can either wear it just regular with the clasps on, very loose, very casual. You can also hang it again closer to your wrist, and you'll have one motif hanging. And then you can also actually hook it onto your necklace. So even if you didn't have a vintage Alejandra pendant like I do, even if you just had a regular necklace, you can actually hook it onto this and I will show you how to do it, and you can actually make it into a long necklace. So I've seen that done before. So because of the sort of versatility of this bracelet, I thought, you know what, I had to go for it, and I love it. The other thing is, again, they're doing another price. They're doing a price increase, not another one, but they're doing a price increase, which I didn't know about until actually my sister-in-law told me. And it was such a coincidence that I had booked an appointment that day for the following Sunday, and she told me that night that they were having an increase. So it was kind of like meant to be, where I had to go and try it on again. The other item that I wanted to try on was the sweet Alejandra mother of pearl butterfly bracelet that I just love as well, but they are all sold out. But the other thing is, you can actually order online. Prices are still okay online. I don't know how it is throughout sort of the world, but for Canada, I think it is going up on August the 6th, and I think it's about a 5% increase. So yeah, I just thought, wow, this is just another piece to my collection that I can add. And yeah, it's so pretty. Depending on the light where it hits, it's kind of like a unicorn. Like, it's got so many different colors, as you know, with mother of pearl, it just shines, right? So the stone is just beautifully handcrafted inside each motif, and I just thought, so pretty. The other thing that I tried on and I got really excited about was the 10 motif yellow gold onyx necklace. I also will show you a picture of it as well. And I just was like so blown away. I had no idea. I never tried on a 10 motif necklace on before. And when I tried it on, I didn't even think that I would react the way I reacted. I really, really liked it. It was just an amazing piece as well. You can go, again, casual, or you could put a nice black dress, a red dress on, and it would just look so stunning. But yeah, so that's something in the back burn in my head. I'm not too sure about it yet, but it's just amazing to try on and just to see the onyx pop. And then with the yellow gold, the shine on that, I was like, whoa, that's a beautiful, beautiful piece as well. So yeah, and then I wanted to show you also what it comes with. I also got a travel pouch for it when we can travel again. Yeah, so it gave me a travel pouch, and also a care booklet, and also the authenticity certificate, and then also my receipt. I just love their packaging. It's just so pretty how they butterflies on there, and the ribbon, and the box. And the box has like a bit of a cushion here, which I thought was kind of neat for your bracelet. So yeah, I am going to love this piece forever and ever. It's amazing. But yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And again, I don't know what's coming up next, but I hope I can bring you more videos, and I hope you're enjoying the sunshine wherever you are, and hope you have a great week. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.